Reading is at 14.2%.
Okay, logged. Ready for transfer.
The laser precisely inscribes a unique serial number and the process A designation onto the ultra-dense lignum.
Certified reclaimed Lignum Vitae blanks undergo a final conditioning phase on this vibrory table to settle the
A specialized automated feeder gently lifts the cylindrical blanks of Lignum Vitae and loads them into the collet chucks.
The reclaimed Lignum Vitae is secured using specialized hydraulic jaws, essential for resisting the extreme rotational forces of the lathe.
In the Lignum Vitae grid cell process SA, dozens of precision machined bearing rings are polished.
Cleaned Lignum Vitae bearing rings emerge from the ultrasonic bath and enter a climate-controlled vacuum drying chamber, where residual salt.
A robotic nozzle applies a microscopic layer of inert, non-reactive protective sealant onto the inner.
Density and dimensions confirmed compliant. Batch certified for dispatch from Process A. Certified reclaimed Lignum Vitae bearings are precisely grouped into labeled boxes and stacked by a synchronized robotic system.
The automated quality control stamp verifies the sealed integrity of the Process A output.
The self-lubricating nature of the Lignum Vitae allows for a perfect fit, concluding Process A.
The Lignum Vitae bearing shows absolutely no signs of wear, even after months in salt water. Process A is confirmed successful.
As you can see, the Lignum Vitae bearings show exceptionally low friction coefficients and highly stable operation.
Here are the final Process A certifications for the Lignum Vitae bearings.
Excellent. The performance data and environmental benefits are exactly what we needed.
The lathe begins turning a large block of dense Lignum Vitae, shaping the external diameter of the bushing.
A heavy-duty carbide boring bar smooths the internal diameter of the Lignum Vitae bushing, achieving critical tolerance.
The Process B factory floor utilizes massive shears to segment the dense Lignum Vitae.
The large, newly cut Lignante bushings travel on a heavy-duty roller conveyor through a forced air cooling tunnel.
A specialized robotic polishing head buffs the internal surface of the Lignum Vitae bushing, hyperactivating the natural red.
This reclaimed Lignum Vitae bushing, certified under Process B, ensures the full traceability required for critical infrastructure.
All right, easy now. We're clear of the truck. Watch the swing. Bring it over to staging area 4.
Looks good. No damage on the vacuum seal.
Confirmed. The Lignum Vitae is in pristine condition, ready for installation.
Easy on the lift, hold it right there.
Confirmed. Lowering slowly now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Utilizing a motorized hoist, the reclaimed Lignum Vitae is lowered deep into the turbine, showcasing its crucial role in this high-pressure environment.
Flips. This confirms the Lignum Vitae bushings are self-lubricating and non-polluting for aquatic use. Highlighting
With zero measurable wear after 6 months, these certified reclaimed Lignum Vitae bushings offer
In the choppy open ocean, the Lignum Vitae bushings endure severe stress. Yet, they're robust.
The Lignum Vitae bushings show minimal degradation and require no external lubrication,
which significantly reduce.
The extreme close-up shows the natural resin diffusing into the water boundary layer, confirming the self-lubricating mechanism. A large municipal water pump station relies on Lignum Vitae bushings for its main shafts, ensuring zero contamination of the potable water supply.
The reliability and extended lifespan of these Lignum Vitae bushings are unmatched. We've significantly reduced downtime. These reclaimed Lignum Vitae bushings are the key to this project's success.
They ensure both environmental compliance and